Let us do another example to understand the finding equivalent resistance of symmetrical circuit method more. So let us say this circuit is given to us and we have to find the equivalent resistance when the resistance of each branch is R. So each of the 12 branches of this cube has a resistance R and we have to find the equivalent resistance. So first we connect the two terminals A and B with a 100-volt battery so that the potential at A is 100 and potential at B is 0. Now if current I is coming out of the circuit, then the current I will go inside the battery also. Now if we see, then these 2 points at which point A and B terminals are connected, these 2 points are diagonally opposite. So that means the current going in this junction will be divided into 3 parts, and each part of the current will encounter the same number of resistances while going from point A to point B. So we can say, since the number of resistance is same, the value of resistance will also be the same, and that means this current I is divided into 3 equal parts. So let us say this is equal to I1, or we can also take I by 3, whatever is convenient for you. So here I am taking the current I divided on this junction in the values I1, I1 and I1. So that means the same current should come out of here. So that means the value of these currents are also equal to I1. So if we write the solution, we can say that the current I is equal to 3I1. And equivalent resistance, since it is equal to potential difference upon total current, so it will be equal to 100 upon I, or 100 upon 3I1. So all we need to find out is the value of I1 from this circuit. Now let us say that this point has the potential X such that the potential between this branch CG is equal to X minus 0. Now the potential here is X minus 0, the resistance of this branch is R, and the current flowing is I1. Now this condition is same for this branch FG. The current flowing is I1 and the resistance is R. So that means the potential difference across FG should also be equal to X minus 0. And same way the potential difference across HG should also be equal to X minus 0, because all three branches have the same current and same resistance values. Now on the entrance of on this side on which the current is entering, the same condition is here. The value of current flowing in each branch is same as I1, as same as these currents, and the value of resistance is also R, same as this. That means the value of potential difference between these 2 points AB, this should be equal to the potential difference across these resistances. So since it is 100 here, that means the potential at this point should be equal to 100 minus X, so that the potential across this branch is equal to 100 minus of 100 minus F, that is X. Similarly, this point should also be equal to 100 minus X, and this point should also be equal to 100 minus X. Now after doing this, all that is left is to apply the KCL. So if we apply KCL, let us say on this point, then from this point there are 3 branches that are going in 3 direction, and let us say that the current is going in outward direction. So the current in this branch will be equal to X minus 0 upon R, plus current in this branch will be equal to X minus of minus 100 minus X upon R, and current in this branch will also be equal to X minus 100 minus X upon R, and this should be equal to 0. Now if we solve this, then R will get cancelled out and we will have 5X equal to 200, or X will be equal to 40 volts. Now that means now we can use this value of X to find I1. So let us say that in this branch the current I1 is flowing through the resistance R. So I1 will be equal to the potential difference across this branch will be, which is X minus 0. So x minus 0 upon R, x is 40, so I1 will be equal to 40 by R. So after this, now we can directly apply this equation R equivalent equals to 100 by 3 I1, or it is equal to 100 by 3 into 40 by R. So this should be equal to 100 by 120 R, or the value of R equivalent will be equal to 5 by 3 R, and this will be the answer. This will be the equivalent resistance of this circuit.